Based in Milwaukee, Fiebing's has been manufacturing leather care products since 1895. They specialize foremost in dyes, which differ from paints because they are transparent and they set into the material. So for leather, for example, you get the color you want while still seeing the natural characteristics of the grain. Fiebing's signature product is their leather dye. It is an alcohol-based dye available in 28 colors in 4-ounce bottles and 32-ounce bottles. And the 4-ounce bottles do come with a wool dauber. There is also the Pro Dye. The Pro Dye is an oil-based dye for higher performance. It comes in 20 colors in 32-ounce and 4-ounce bottles. Next up is the Stain. So Stain sits more on the surface than dye and is less prone to fading over time. It comes in 2 bottle sizes and 3 colors. There is a low VOC version of the leather dye, which is a volatile chemical. So this one can ship to California. So it's a good option if you live there or want a reduced chemical option. It comes in 12 colors, 1 size. Next, there is the leather colors. So the leather colors is a water-based dye, so it doesn't have shipping restrictions. There's the acrylic dye. Acrylic dye is more of a paint than dye, actually sits more on the surface than settling into the material. There's also a variety of finishing products, surface finishes, creams, oils, balms, cleaning products. In all, there's over 170 products from Fiebing's here at Buckleguy.